Hello and welcome to the March 2nd edition of the Forex forecast from forexmansion.com. In front of you, you have the Euro USD chart, and as you can see, the 138 level that has been the very top of our resistance area has held up yet again. Late afternoon trading in New York produced a sell-off in the euro due to financial concerns in world risk in general as oil starts to rise. However, the 137.50 to 137 range, as drawn out by this hammer here, is support still, and until we break lower, the bias certainly must be to the upside. Any supportive action at 137.50 would be a good sign, yet again, that we are trying to push to the upside. A break over 138 on the daily chart to be able to hold above that level would open the door to 140. However, a break below 137 could lead to the bottom of our consolidative range, which has been on the longer time frame at 134.50. A break below 134.50 opens the door to 130 and would continue the downtrend that this pair had been in for quite some time. Going on to the euro pound, you can see that we have been in a consolidative range since late last year, from the 86.50 handle to the 83 handle. There are several minor areas in the middle, and we are currently at one of them, which would be the 84.50 area. As you can see, it has been touched several times. However, this is not the best area to place a trade in, as it is a little bit of a no man's land in the sense that it is between two larger support and resistance areas. This pair looks very weak at the moment, as shown by the shooting star that formed in the middle of the consolidation area. And it looks like it's set to try the minor support here at 84.50 and perhaps head back to 83. Any break below 83 would continue downward pressure on this pair to roughly the 80 handle. And if we find support at 83, it looks like we will be stuck in our consolidative range up to 86.50. Going on to dollar Swiss, we can see that we had been in a consolidative area between 98 and 93, but as you see, we have broken below this area, below the 93, the bottom of this support here recently. As you break significant areas like this, it is quite common to see the breakdown and a retest, and essentially that is what is happening at this moment in time. The daily bar looks to be a shooting star that is going to form here in a couple minutes, which is a very bearish signal. Any break below this bar should signal a run much lower. However, if we can break above today's high, which would be about 93.40, could signal a return to the consolidative area, and maybe even move as high as 97.50. However, the downside bias is much stronger than the upside bias, so any longs should be taken with tight stops. A short, on the other hand, that goes below the 92 handle is a signal that we are about to run, and if you measure the rectangle, probably another 500 pips. For forexmansion.com, that has been your Forex forecast for March the 2nd.